Hi everybody. The purpose of this video series is just to show everybody how fun cooking can be and how easy it can be. But first I wanted to show everybody the 5-finger test. To help us out a little bit, I have here a jar of Jif peanut butter. Okay, and the purpose of the 5-finger test is to help you figure out which foods are good for you and which ones you should try and stay away from. So in the 5-finger test, we're going to use our fingers and put them up and down based upon the amounts found in the nutrition facts back here. So the first step, we're going to kind of work from bottom to top, starting down here with these vitamins and minerals. So every time that we see a vitamin or a mineral that has more than 10%, we're going to go ahead and put one finger up. So because vitamin E has more than 10%, that's one finger. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to come up to protein. And if there is more than 5 grams of protein, we put another finger up. So now we're at 2. Next we're going to go to total carbs, and we're going to take a look at the total carbs, which is 8 grams. We're going to divide that by 2 to get 4. And if sugars is more than 4, then we put one finger down. Because it's at 3, we're just going to stay at 2 fingers. Next we're going to go to sodium and cholesterol. If either of those, we're going to put a finger down for each one of those that's over 10%. Because they're both under 10%, we're just going to leave one finger up. Actually, we're at 2 fingers, never mind. Okay. Next we're going to move to total fat. If total fat is over 10%, then we're going to put another finger down. So we're going from 2 and now we are at 1. The last thing we're going to check is the calories. And if the calories per serving is over 200, that's when we're going to put another finger down. Because it's at 190, we're okay. So we're left with one finger, and that means that peanut butter is relatively good for you. However, I do want to point out that at 190 calories, that is really close to being 200. So if you were to have more than the 2 tablespoons per serving, it's probably not the best food for you. There was one other one that I wanted to show you guys real quick. We have some canned corn here, and it's corn, right? So you would think that it's pretty good food for you. However, if we run the 5-finger test on it, start at the bottom, we're at 0 after checking the vitamins and minerals, and then we move up to protein, still at 0. Carbs, still at 0. At sodium, we go down to -1. Then fat, still at -1. Calories, -1. So this can of corns, because it does not have any vitamins and minerals, is not a good food for you. Alright, that's the 5-finger test. Thanks everybody. In our next video, we are going to be learning how to make sweet and sour chicken.